Good morning, everyone. If you were following the last video, you know I am here ready to work on that truck I was talking about. And so I'll just get right into it. It is this beauty right here. I mean, just look at that thing. My feet are getting soaking wet with the dew right now, but just take a look at that truck. She's old, but that's exactly what I'm looking for in an old work truck. Needs to be reliable, and this thing is. But as you can see, the paint's pretty rough shape, but that ain't a big deal. I'm sure it'll pressure wash off. The inside's really not bad at all. It's got the bench seat, automatic transmission, and it's got the crew cab. Oh, goodness. There we go. And wow, yep, that's good condition. That is beautiful in there. All it needs is a little detail. But anyways, let's try and put some batteries in it. All right, well, batteries are in there. It took a while to find the other negative, but it's time to see if it'll do anything. Rumor has it, all it needed was a couple batteries and we'll start right up. We will see. Oh, would you look at that? Key was already on. And we've got lights. That's a good sign. All right, let's see if we can't get her started. I was looking for a clutch. Ain't one. Put her in park. Sounds like the starter is clicking. I'm going to give it a few taps, see if that don't help. All right, so I couldn't really get to the starter to swing at it. So I think I'm just going to try to jump the starter from the solenoid. Hopefully you don't get run over in the process. Should be fine. All right, well, here goes nothing. Hopefully the truck don't shake too much and throw this camera down into the engine bay. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but we're clearly getting sparks here. All right. Which, if I had to guess, would mean our starter is pretty stuck. So, I'm gonna do some troubleshooting, but once I figure that out, I'll be back. I don't know what I did, but this time when I opened the door, all of a sudden I got the buzzer letting you know that your door is open. So that's a good sign, I think. Let's see if it does anything. Still just clicks. See, does our fan work? Oh yeah. We got AC already. blowing all our spider webs around, just what we want. Let's see. Whew. Worked great. All right. There's no radio in here, but that's fine. Who needs one for a work truck? Somebody on a forum here said maybe try it in neutral. So I've got her in there, I think. Still just clicks. E-brake's moving, but it probably needs loosened up. Still nothing. Alright, well, I'm gonna go under there and smack on the starter and then try to jump start it there from the solenoid, so hopefully you don't run us both over. Wish me luck. Well, beating on the starter didn't make no difference, and neither did jumping it from there. So I think either the starter is just bad or we've got a locked up engine. Hopefully it's just the starter is bad. But I gotta leave soon. About time to start getting ready to cut hay, but I will be back as soon as I am working on this thing again. Yeah, she's smoking. Smoking pretty good. But hey, if it's smoking, it's running, ain't it? I'm pretty mad. The only thing that I hadn't done is my screwdriver was just too small that I was trying to arc the starter with, so I wasn't getting much contact. I got a big pry bar and arc the starter with that, and all of a sudden, boom, it hits. But now I lost all the satisfaction of doing it myself. But yeah, it's running. It needed a little bit of ether, but she's running good now. We're just gonna pull it up to the top here, and I'm gonna switch some tools into it, air up some tires. I hope they don't explode on me because they look ancient. But yeah, it's running. So I guess we start making it our dream little work truck. Well, I am stoked about this. It's running just like he said, he promised. All it needed was a battery, and he was right. But she is running. I mean, just listen to it. So it's time for me to actually go and do some work, but I will definitely have videos of me cleaning this thing out, getting it built exactly how I've always dreamed to have a work truck. So stay tuned for that if you're watching. I know nobody is, but if you are, welcome to the channel. Well, the truck did amazing for its first maiden voyage. Took me all the way out to the far end of the farm, brought all my tools with me, brought all the diesel I needed, and she made it just fine. And then just for fun, I wanted to take it back along the road, which in hindsight was not a great idea and definitely was illegal. This thing has not been registered since 2006, but it did great. I mean, there's a few times I still had to get up underneath and jump the starter, but I think those times are behind us now. I haven't had to do it in a while. But yeah, I cannot wait to turn this truck into a beast and put all the tools I could ever dream of having into it. But anyways, that's all for you. Take care and welcome to the channel.